Welcome to Exact PipeCut P400 Battery Instructional Video. Exact PipeCut P400 Battery is designed to cut and bevel plastic pipes from 100 mm up to 400 mm. P400 Battery can also make a 15-degree bevel on pipe ends for push-fit fittings. Please read the operating manual carefully before using the saw. Make sure to always use proper personal protective equipment. Exact PipeCut P400 Battery is supplied in a box which contains 4 pipe support rollers and a tool bag. The tool bag holds a pipe saw with 2 Allen keys. One cutting blade and 1 cutting and beveling blade. 2 lithium-ion batteries and a charger. Exact TCT P150 cutting blade is pre-assembled. Place the battery on the charger unit. Check error codes in the manual. All error codes are listed in the manual. Static green LED lights up when the battery is fully charged. Attach the battery to the machine and check the battery charge level by pushing the status button on the handle. Support the pipe with pipe rollers. Support both ends with a single roller and place the double roller underneath when the cutting point is in the middle of the pipe. You can cut shorter pieces without supporting the pipe end. First, measure the diameter of the pipe and set the scale to correct measure. Clean the pipe with a brush if needed. Cutting a bevel too deep can cause a pipe to crack, especially if it is from PVC or other hard plastic material. Decrease the beveling scale if the pipe starts cracking. Set approximately 20 to 50 millimeters or 1 to 2 inches smaller. Then, mark the correct cutting point. Pull up the lower blade guard and place the saw on the pipe. Align it with the marked spot by using the cutting marks at the end of the lower blade guard. The outer cutting mark indicates cut and bevel, while the inner cutting mark indicates the cut. Place and align the saw with the mark on the pipe and start the motor. Pierce the pipe wall. When the saw is locked in down position, start pushing the saw forward. Rotate the pipe under the saw. Exact P400 Battery can also be used for beveling only. Place the saw with cut and bevel blade on the edge of the pipe and start beveling. Please note that if any cracking happens, you should reduce the maximum diameter which you have set on the scale to avoid cutting too deep. This can appear if the pipe is made of hard plastic, such as PVC. We have built a fine adjustment mechanism into the body plate, allowing you to change the angle of the motor unit in relation to the pipe. First, remove the screw from the body plate to open it, and then rotate the small adjustment wheel as needed. A precise indicator scale helps to adjust the machine's angle inwards or outwards as required. Make sure that there are no chips, dirt, or anything else caught in between the blade flanges, and use compressed air to clean it if needed. Note that in case the pipe is deformed, dirty, or damaged, it will affect the cutting result. Take the 5 mm Allen key and open the upper blade guard and blade flanges. Remove the blade and place a new one. Make sure there is no dirt or any other object in between the blade and flanges to avoid any malfunctions. Clean flanges with compressed air or brush if needed. Tighten the flanges firmly and place the upper blade guard back. Change the blade often enough to avoid any damage to the saw. Blades can be resharpened up to 3 times if there is no visible damage. Make sure to always use only original Exact blades. If blade teeth are cracked or damaged in any way, the blade should not be used. Always use the correct blade, the one designed specifically for the material you want to cut. Visit www.exacttools.com for more details on blade types and materials they cut. For more information about sharpening, contact your local Exact dealer. Thank you for watching.